Tumbang-tumbang teman semua. Antok di semua. Oke, business plan, contract small coconut farmers, agriculture cooperative, integrated coconut product enterprises, puro dito mo. Location, di Mongkrek, Magsaysay, Lanao, in North Philippines. Date 2026 ang libutan. Executive summary, di Mongkrek small coconut farmers, agriculture cooperative. Composed of 38 coconut farming households across the municipalities of Magsaysay Tubod, processes of established value-added coconut processing enterprise. The project will product, vinegar product, and fishing. The cooperative aims to increase farmer income to 5 to 10% through value addition. Create a local employment to jobs, you maximize exciting coconut supply and position Lanao del Norte as competitive coconut processor in northern Mindanao. Initial capital requirements 500,000, projected ROI 5 years. Target market Magsaysay and Tubod Lanao del Norte. Cooperative background. Mongkrek small coconut farmers, agriculture cooperative, names Copaco. Established in 2024, 1 year pa yun. Okay, member ng farmers, ang land area, 1 hectares planted of coconut. Operation plan, treatment materials, average coconut yield 100 bottles per year. Stock pollution from 100 ton coconut trees. Coconut scale collected from members from 5.3 equipment is estimated cost. Packaging sealing equipment 100,000, building renovation 500,000, a total of 700,000. Organization, management structure, General Assembly, members, Board of Directors, General Manager, Department, Production and Quality Control, 3 staff, marketing, sales, 2 staff, finance, accounting, 2 staff, logistic, supply, 2 staff, training, partnership, PTI, PCA, PIDA, thus the marketing and sales plan, branding, names Copaco, vinegar, vinegar 200 ml, 65 pesos. Marketing activities, online selling, FB marketplace, TikTok, partnership with health stores, participation in DTI trade farm, supply contract with veterans and eco farms, exposed through consolidated treatment via Magsaysay and Tubod Lanao del Norte. Financial plan 2.2 capital requirements, total project was 500,000. 1.0 in equipment and facility, 100 pesos working capital, 1.2 projected annual revenue, 1 year. Race assembly mitigation, coconut yield, replanting program, intercropping, market, ratio, diversify product, contract, sealing, power introduction, backup, generator 6. Qualified compliance, strict easy, DPE and halal certification. Sustainability and social impact, increase income of 32 farmers, families, employees at least 3 local workers, use coconut trees per purple zero waste body. Promote organized and sustainable farming practices, strengthen local economy of Mongkrek Magsaysay. solution integrated vinegar product enterprise of Democratic Small Coconut Farmers Agriculture Cooperative in Paco is financing and able socially impact project by transforming raw coconut into high value product. The cooperative will increase farmer income, create a rural employment, and contribute to the growing coconut industry in the Philippines. Salamat po ngayong hapon.
Okay, let's give them the Aling Junisa clap. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Next group, number 3.